Hello guys, Will here. Now here again I'm at Oddingley level crossing, and as you can see the lights are flashing, so they're obviously testing it. And also I've noticed they've actually put a thin set of lights on this as well. And the crossing is down, so they're obviously testing it. Yeah. I'm surprised they put a thin set, to be honest. It wasn't like that thin set wasn't there last time. Yeah, see the lights are out of sync. Can you see?
Oh, yeah.
I told you it would.
Yeah, and you've got it on your thing here. Look at it.
What?
The left-hand side one.
Yeah, I told you that's a thin set. It's because there's up it goes.
Oh wow.
Well, that's something.
Gonna stop for a bit, or just walk across and then go back again, or what?
We'll go across.
Yeah, come on.
I don't know why they give this road back. But they got this work to do. They've got all this rounded off, the tarmac all day weird. So kept it.
And plus they're testing as well.
Yeah.
Which makes it quite open.
There's some new signs put up as well.
Cool, eh?
Yeah.
Where was the local signal box? So has he got another job?
Yeah, the chief is on to Olsen, Olsen on to just retired at 67.
How long have you been in that? Lucky. Lovely. What a lovely part of the world.
No idea. I'm just going to pause the video here for now.
Hello.
So I'll be back in a bit. Right, we're just about to drive over it. You can see it over there. And I'm a bit surprised they've actually put a thin light on one side. I'd probably some people call it vertical ones.
It's like a portrait.
Yeah, no, yeah, portrait. Sorry. Yeah, that's the one.
Not a landscape, but a portrait.
Yeah. As you can see,
There's our friend.
there's now a thin set. And there's some new CCTV signs put up. Yes, this crossing, I knew this would do the routing sequence because I could tell that by that smallish green cubicle.
Here we go. Brilliant.
Yeah. Anyways, this crossing is due to be commissioned on the 7th of November, which is on Monday, so there's not long. So,
The 5th today.
yeah, it's the 5th. I'll try and get back up here next. Well, I probably will come back up here sometime after the crossing is commissioned. And
That's it.
yeah, and that's probably going to be. I think that's pretty much everything I've said, really. Anyway, I'm going to finish the video off here for now. On this video, this is probably the last update of this crossing before I do the proper intro of it. And thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.